So I was almost tempted, right, not to bother using the SD space of feeding these guys because they're never here. And yet, here's a guy. Can I bowl him a sausage, do you think? I don't think he's going to be expecting sausages. To me? Can the other guy see it? Oh, dude. Bowling it right at you. Feeding it to the seagulls right in your face. Not what I'm trying to do. I bowl it a bit better. Get it? No, I can't bowl it for toffee. It's a rubbish throw. Are you getting it? Every time he throws food at me, a seagull gets it. That's disappointing. Okay, well there's a cracker that's all to play for, everyone. Okay, anti-clockwise, please. Thank you. Look at that. That's all good. I'm all going left-handed. He's not fun with that in his beak. Generate the lift and drag of that. Right, let's put some out. Here we go, good crows. Seagulls. Oh, and they're on the suet. Oh, that. Did you see that roll? Oh, go on. Come in and have a look. Closer. Oh, go on. Got it. It's got the whole cracker. Here's another one. I think it's too big for the seagulls. Seagull filter. Right, let's get back to work.